In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to effectively use the Amazon KDP Beginner's Guide ebook. This ebook is designed to help you understand the fundamentals of Amazon KDP, from setting up your account and listing products to publishing and marketing your books. What you'll learn in this ebook: step-by-step guidance on setting up your Amazon KDP, how to list your books properly to maximize visibility, the essential tips for posting and marketing your low-content books. But that's not all. I've also included exclusive bonus guides to make your publishing process much easier. Bonus 1: cover and interior template guide. To ensure your book meets Amazon KDP's formatting requirements, I've included a template guide that helps you position your designs correctly. Here's how to use it. The white area indicates the safe zone, where all important text and design elements should be placed. Second is the black line, which represents the trim line. Anything outside this line will be cut off when printed. The blue area marks the spine of the book. So how to use the template: you just have to insert your cover design within the white area, and you have to ensure elements stay within the white area to prevent cropping. And once your design is finalized, remove the guideline before saving and uploading your file to Amazon KDP. Bonus 2 are the 18 pre-designed interior pages. When creating your interior pages can be time consuming, especially if you're unfamiliar with the proper dimensions. And to save your time and effort, I've included 18 designed interior pages commonly used for low content books. These templates ensure correct formatting and minimize the chances of your book being rejected by Amazon KDP. Bonus 3 are 60 trending low content book ideas. If you're struggling to come up with profitable book ideas, this guide contains a curated list of 60 trending low book niches, along with direct links to existing bestsellers. These links allow you to analyze real examples of books in that niche, getting inspiration for your own designs and content, understand the key elements of successful listings, including product descriptions and keywords. And as a final gift, I'm sharing 6 templates from my best-selling low-content books to help you get started faster. You can customize these templates to create your own unique books with ease. If you want to learn more about selling digital products and succeeding on Amazon KDP, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and tips. If you want to get this ebook, the link is in the description below.